Hi, I'm John Hinchy, a consultant with Logan Consulting, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a useful trick for adding new fields in the configuration form. One of the great features about Microsoft Dynamics CRM is the ability to customize forms and the ability to do that easily. Here, I'm in my sandbox environment. I'm going to demonstrate a way to add a couple fields quickly, and then a trick for showing how to display those fields. I'm going to go into Sales, Accounts. I'm just going to open any account here. It's my sample data. And to add fields, we're going to click Form. Now, normally we'd like to do this out of Solution, but in this example, we're going to do it straight on the actual form and pull up the background form customization button. I'm going to maximize this. Now, we have a few customized fields here you can already see, but I'm going to add new fields here. And one thing I've noticed over the time of adding fields is that if I add a field, call it A1 test, call it a single line of text, and I save, it creates the new field, but in Chrome, it does not create the new field here. So, in the past, what I've done to add the field is to save and refresh with F5. And now you see the field A1 test. Now, this is not completely ideal to refresh the form to have this show up. Oftentimes you won't know if you saved properly. It doesn't give you a good idea if this actually saved went through. It's time consuming, and you would rather have the field just show up. So, what we'll do is what I found. We'll add a new field called A2 test. Save it. And you can see that the field did create in the background, it just doesn't appear here. But when we click new field again, that triggers the A2 test to show up. So if we do A3 test, save and close, not there, but then click new field, and it appears. And if we want to just close that, we can close it. So I found that it saves time, especially when using multiple fields, to just open the new field button to trigger this to show up. The code in the background is unclear, but to quickly have this show up, as opposed to refreshing, click new field, then you can add your field to the form, save, publish, and be done. In this case, I'm going to remove this from the form, save, publish, and be done. For all of your Microsoft Dynamics consulting needs, visit our website at loganconsulting.com. Email us at info@loganconsulting.com or call us at 312-345-8800.